This my two Satoshis. This my two Satoshis. Who need 2 cents when they can get double from stacking Toshis? Yeah, this my space.
Yeah, it's your boy Crypto Blood, and welcome to another episode of My Two Satoshis. Hope everyone's doing well out there. Shout out to my man Lostra for the song request, Joey Badass, Devastated. This is a classic right here. I remember the remix by a rapper called, I think, Young Greatness, I believe his name was. He got killed a few years ago, but I like this version as well. But hope everyone's doing well today. Welcome to another episode. Let's get right into it because we've got some interesting topics to touch on today's episode. One being out of the New York Post, surprisingly enough, Robinhood warns it could be hurt if interest in DOGECOIN wanes. We'll take a look at this. Looks like they may be over leveraged. This is what happens when you have easy money sloshing around all throughout the financial markets. So we'll review this article that reveals what exactly is going on with Robinhood and how they've over leveraged their DOGECOIN positions. Not a good look. Not a good look. Could be like a Lehman event or something, right? Like, this is literally a black swan type of event if this happens, and then it just cascades and causes more issues within the financial markets. I know I'm kind of stretching it there, but hey, you never know. That's what a black swan is all about. Something that comes out of nowhere. But next, out of Trustnode, I always thought that the Tesla excuse for stopping the acceptance of Bitcoin was nonsense. I thought it was some BS because they used the excuse that Bitcoin was, its carbon footprint was too high, and once it reduced it, it would look to accept Bitcoin again. Nonsense. This one, however, seems like it may hold some merit. Did Tesla stop accepting Bitcoin because of the CCP, the Chinese Communist Party? This sounds like possible reason for the removal of Bitcoin with Tesla purchases. And then lastly, also about Elon Musk. Is the Elon Musk Midas touch over for Dogecoin? He tried to pump it again, but guess what? The overall bear market didn't allow it to happen. Dogecoin price boosting shenanigans fails miserably. This one out of CoinGate. We're going to take a look at all three articles on today's episode of My Two Satoshis. Let's go. But before we start, if you guys find these types of videos informative, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and click that bell to receive more videos like this. We got to look at the technicals, and Crypto Blood is typically spot on with the technicals. I ain't got to tell you that. You already know what's going on. Crypto Damas showing you here the trend line I drew. Really should have maybe drawn it out here a little bit, or down a little bit. I had it up here, but it's right there on it. It's on the cusp of bouncing off that trend line now that we're heading higher. However, if we can't hold $33,000 Bitcoin, at least on Bitfinex, then the final leg down in this series will occur. We're right there on the cusp. So I don't know if we'll do this and bounce up. I know for those who are holding long positions, you would definitely want that scenario to work out for you. But really what we could see is a pennant form against this area of resistance that we have. We'll definitely know something in the next day or two as far as what direction we go, and if we're going to create a new time series in this Bitcoin move. Let's take a look at the first article though. Robinhood warns it could be hurt if interest in Dogecoin wanes. So it says the commission-free trading app warned investors on Thursday that its fortunes may be tied up into cryptocurrency that got its start as a joke. In revealing its financials for the first time while filing to go public, Robinhood said that Dogecoin accounted for 34% of its current cryptocurrency transaction-based revenue in the first quarter, up from 4% in the prior quarter. Any slowdown in demand, it said, could adversely affect its financial results. They said, a substantial portion in our net revenues earned by cryptocurrency transactions is attributable to transactions in Dogecoin. And that was stated in the S1 filing they made, which is what you have to do if you're looking to go public. They go on to say if demand for transactions in Dogecoin declines and is not replaced by new demand for other cryptocurrencies available on the platform, our business, financial condition, and results of operations could be adversely affected. And so they also said basically that the cryptocurrency portion of their revenue accounts for 17% of their total revenue, and that was $87 million. That is a decent amount. I mean, I think the article is maybe being a little hyperbolic about it. I don't see in the scenario if demand for Dogecoin leaves that it won't, number one, go to another cryptocurrency or move to back over to equities or options. So I don't see this as a big issue, to be honest with you. Next article, we've got Elon Musk trying to pump Dogecoin yet again. But this time, ladies and gents, it failed. And I told you guys, the situation that we have ourselves in with Dogecoin and Elon Musk, that relationship is a double-edged sword. Like, yeah, he's one of the most influential people on social media, in finance, right? One of the wealthiest people. Number two, he toggles back and forth between he and Jeff Bezos. But to me, what he's doing is setting himself up to have to do something more outlandish, more lavish each time he tries to bring attention to Dogecoin. The SNL was pretty much the peak. I told you guys then, buy the rumor, sell the news. It hasn't been higher than that since then. So if you would have listened to me, you would be good, because you would have sold into the SNL show and then been out. You know, he has to do things bigger and better every time he wants to pump Dogecoin. And unfortunately, a tweet is not going to do it any longer. So it says here, Elon Musk's hold on Dogecoin's price seems to be fading away as his recent tweet failed to cause any significant movement in the meme coin. Earlier today, Musk tweeted a popular meme template with Dogecoin twists indicating a price pump for the meme currency. Contrary to what memes signify, the price of Dogecoin didn't seem to move any and remained in the same price range, around 24 cents, before and after Musk's tweet. In the past, Musk's tweets have seen even double-digit moves for Dogecoin, but again, this seems to be slowing and waning here, guys. Elon Musk is notorious, of course, for moving the crypto markets through his tweets, especially for his favorite meme coin, Dogecoin. Musk has been accused of market manipulation and putting thousands of amateur investors at risk of losing significant investments. I agree, he is. A lot of these people are going to get hurt hard. I told you where Doge is going. 13 cents, then 11 cents, and then we'll have to figure out where we're going to go from there. But we're definitely going there. So that's almost half of where we are today. I'm just saying, people. So my thing is, be careful out there. Take some off the table if you're up. If you're not up, still take some off the table, because it's better to lose a little bit than lose half or even more of your money, right? And have nothing to show for it. Not financial advice, just crypto wisdom there. Trust nodes. Tesla stopping the acceptance of Bitcoin. Was that because of pressure from the CCP? On May 11th, Elon Musk asked his followers, do you want Tesla to accept Doge? But then just a day later, he announced that Tesla will no longer be accepting Bitcoin, with this turnaround within hours surprising many and giving rise to speculation on what was really going on, because within days there was an official announcement of what had been rumored in China. The China Internet Financial Association, the China Banking Association, and the Chinese Payment and Clearing Association ordered financial institutions to not engage in cryptocurrency transactions and to take action if they suspect transactions were crypto related. China then embarked on a month-long gradual kicking out of miners, while Musk on Twitter criticized Bitcoin and then went on to cause some chaos by pumping tokens like Cum Rocket. Yikes. The article says there is no evidence, however, there was any pressure by the Chinese Communist Party to stop Tesla from accepting Bitcoin, but the timing is a significant coincidence, especially considering China is a huge market for the car manufacturer. I agree. So Tesla bending the knee, it says accepting crypto payments has been prohibited in China since 2013, with it unclear whether this prohibition played a role in Tesla's reversing course, especially as the CCP found it necessary to reiterate the prohibition around the same time. Yeah, I'm going to say it is. You guys let me know in the comments below. Do you think China really played a role in Tesla doing a straight 180 on their decision to accept Bitcoin? It came out of nowhere. They were just like literally leading up to that tweet. An announcement was all in. So what changed? There had to be an actual event, something that happened behind the scenes for that to happen. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you don't think it's the case, let me know why. Why do you think they stopped? Was it really over being green? Highly doubt it. We've already known for many, many years where the carbon footprint for Bitcoin lies. I just feel so devastated. It's your boy Crypto Blood. Shout out to my man Lostra again. Good hearing from you, brother. for the song request from about a month ago. I'm getting to all the non-premium members, guys. Just be patient with me. Got to take care of the premium members first. But again, shout out to him for Joey Badass. Devastated. We out of here, people. Holla!
Look up to the Lord, we pray. Trying to be my best each day.